Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy F05. I got the Twilight color variant with 64 GB of storage and 4 GB RAM. I bought it from Flipkart for just rupees 6,500 and now it's available for rupees 6,200. So yeah, it's even cheaper now. Let's jump right into the unboxing. The box looks slim and premium and I really like the packaging. On the back of the box, the main specifications are listed. It has a 6.1 HD display, which Samsung mentions as 17:3 cm. The phone comes with a 50 megapixel dual rear camera setup and an 8 megapixel front camera. It also has a 5000 mAh battery and supports 25-watt fast charging, which is impressive for this price range. Anyway, the first thing inside the box is the phone itself, and wow, it looks big. The display is large and the back of the phone has a stylish leather textured design. It feels good to hold with a nice grip. It's not slippery like glass phones, which is great. Next we have the charging cable, but there's a big disappointment. There is no charger adapter inside the box. That's really not cool. Now I have to either order the adapter online and wait a few more days or buy it from the local market, which usually costs more. I bought this phone thinking it was a budget-friendly option, but if I add the cost of a charger, it becomes more expensive. And using cheap local chargers might even damage the battery. I get that flagship phones don't include chargers these days, but for a budget phone, Samsung should have included it. Coming back to the phone, the display is bright and good for daily use. The resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels and it has a 60Hz refresh rate. It's not the smoothest experience, but I think there's a software update running in the background. Once that's done, performance might improve. The UI or user interface is actually really good and easy to understand. And Samsung's One UI Core works well for basic tasks like calling, texting, using WhatsApp or browsing. Now let's talk about the camera. The 50MP rear camera sounds impressive, but in real usage it's just okay. In daylight, the photos are usable, but the colors are not very accurate and sharpness is average. The front camera is decent for video calls or casual selfies. At this price point, I didn't expect top quality images, so it's fine. Performance-wise, it's not built for gaming. You can run light games like Subway Surfers, but heavier games will lag and cause the phone to heat up. So if you're thinking about gaming, this phone is not the right choice. Now here's something important. The phone does not have a fingerprint sensor. It only has face unlock, and honestly, that doesn't work well. It takes time to detect your face and most of the time it fails, especially if you're in a hurry or low light. That's very frustrating. In such cases, you have to enter your PIN. If your hands aren't free, unlocking the phone becomes a real issue. So, in simple words, face unlock is unreliable and fingerprint unlock is completely missing. So, who should buy this phone? I think it's a great option for parents, elderly users, or anyone who just needs a phone for basic tasks like calling, texting, and using social media. If you're not into gaming or heavy multitasking, this phone is fine. It does the job. To sum up, the Samsung Galaxy F05 offers a big display, good battery life, and a smooth user interface. But it has some serious downsides: no charger in the box, unreliable face unlock, no fingerprint scanner, and an average camera. If Samsung had included the charger, it would have been a much better deal for budget buyers. So that's it for this review. If you're planning to buy this phone, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.